Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today inside this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get Pokemon Emerald that has managed to sneak its way into the App Store. Now, credit to the guy inside of the description for telling me about it, otherwise I probably wouldn't have found out about it. But yeah, it seems like more and more of these are actually popping up now, which I think is cool. Hopefully eventually we'll see one that's in full English or has the ability to import custom ROMs. So anyways, without further ado, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am clearly on my iPhone now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the app. So here it is the greenish blue colored one. As soon as you open it, you're just going to click on that goldish colored button, hit the OK button on the pop-up, and then now you're actually playing Pokemon Emerald. Again, I think it's been, before these came out, these Chinese Game Boy Advance emulators, before this, it was an extremely long time since we had an emulator in the App Store. I believe before this, it was actually, what was it? I'm trying to think of what it was. Oh, it was that, I can think of the name, I can't think of the name of the emulator, but I can think of everything else. I think it was like some indie thing. I had indie in the name, that's all I remember. But yeah, that was like ages ago. That was back when we still had the ROMs rooms, if you guys, or rooms, ROMs, whatever it's called. It's a little app that we would use to talk to each other. But yeah, anyways, enough talking about stuff most of you don't know about. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to get the app. So all you're going to have to do is simply click a link inside the description and install it. It's as simple as that. I'm just going to go to my purchase history to get to it a lot faster. And here it is. So you just install it, open it up, and then you'd start playing Pokemon Emerald. It's as simple as that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click open from here to actually prove to you guys that it really is the actual game. As you see, I click open and it brings me over to the emulator. But yeah, that's basically going to be just about it for this video, guys. Tomorrow I have a video, a jailbreak video planned for tomorrow. But yeah, this is AJ170 signing out.